Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So I've got another Dixie Plates review, swatch and demo video for you. I'm really sorry that this is actually quite late. I received these plates just before I went on holiday for a couple of weeks, so this video has been a bit delayed and I'm really sorry. I am expecting the newest release as well, coming very soon, so I wanted to make sure I got this one out as quickly as I could once I'd got back from holiday, and as soon as I get the newest release I will do a video for you for those, and I've also got the new stamper arriving as well soon. So, but let's get on with this video. So we've got the Mega Money Mix 03 and Animal Print Mini stamping plates from Dixie Plates. I'm so excited for this animal print plate. Animal print is really in at the moment. All these nails that I keep seeing, they've all got animal print on them. So I'm really excited to get this and start using it. And obviously, like always with the Mega Money Mix plates, we've got loads of different things going on the plates. So I'm going to do 4 swatches of each plate for you today. So let's just get straight into it and start having a closer look. Okay, so here's the Mega Money Mix 03. So at the bottom we've got some really nice sort of large peacock henna type designs, and then we've got some lines, we've got some lacy lines up here. And then obviously going into, I would call that design sort of quite henna inspired, and obviously some florals, and I love that image there, the nice sort of filigree type of image. And then just going up into some more patterns, we've got sort of a dot pattern, sort of a diamond pattern up here, and then right at the top we've got loads more florals, and there's this gem like one here as well that's really cool. So I'm going to do 4 swatches from this plate. I think I'm actually going to start off with this one. I really like that, and I'm going to use my Dixie Plates Triple D stamper and my Dixie Plates scraper, and I'm just going to start off with Hit the Bottle in As Black as Night. That is an absolutely gorgeous design. I am in love. That is so beautiful, and it's stamped so perfectly as well, and I actually really love the colour combination as well. That is just amazing. So next up I'm actually going to swatch this image down here, and I'm going to use Hit the Bottle in a pink, Therefore I Am. So, and again, that's stamped really well. I don't know if you guys can see, actually, I don't know if the neon combination is kind of affecting my camera, but it's stamped really well. You can see all sort of like the little holes and stuff in the design. And it's just quite a nice sort of filigree floral design. So next I'm going to swatch this one up here because I really like that design. And I'm going to use Hit the Bottle in Iced Mojito. Once again, it's just stamped so perfectly, and I love that colour combination as well of the lilac with the sort of neon purple background. It looks beautiful. So finally I'm going to swatch the diamond one up here with all the different type of crystals, and I'm going to use Hit the Bottle in Seize the Day. So once again that's stamped really well, but I don't know if it's coming across on camera. Hopefully you guys can see it. But it's stamped really nicely, And this would be a great one to do like reverse stamping with and to fill in the design, or even sort of try and fill in the design with some glitter and stuff like that. So then here are the swatches for the Mega Mani Mix 03. So you can see this one a lot better now, and you can see just it's stamped really nice and clearly, so be perfect to sort of fill in the design. My two favourites though are definitely these two. I mean, that one is just stunning. That one's got to be my favourite. It just looks beautiful, especially over that neon pink. Okay, so let's move on to the animal print mini plate. Okay, so here's a closer look at the animal print mini plate. So like I said, animal print is really in at the moment, especially sort of leopard print. And so I'm really happy to actually have this and have a very nice large image of it as well, because I think it's going to make it so much easier. And I like the sort of variations on this plate as well, having, you know, like the snake skin up the top here, which is really nice, but then you've got sort of more variations of things and sort of the crocodile skin as well. So I'm going to do 4 swatches from this as well. So the first image I'm going to stamp is the leopard print one down here, and I'm going to use Hit the Bottle in as Black as Night. So, and that is stamped absolutely beautifully. I love the colour combination as well of the pink and the black, quite similar to the first plate actually. But the image is stamped really perfectly, and it's just so easy to do. It'll be so much easier than trying to hand paint the leopard print. So the next design I'm going to do is the snake skin here, and I'm going to use Hit the Bottle in Snowed In. So it's stamped really well. Obviously it's quite a close design, so you're not going to see a lot of the underneath colour, but you can obviously still see some. You might want to stamp this in black rather than white. Obviously I've used white because I just used the black, but sort of colour combination wise you might want to use a black instead. But it's stamped really well. You just might want to scrape a little bit harder because it is a close design like that. So next up I'm going to do sort of the tiger stripe design, but I'm going to do a different colour combination rather than the typical. So I've got Hit the Bottle in Shazam Yellow. So again, that's stamped really nicely. The colours sort of stand out from each other, which is what you want. It's an easy image to use as well, and it's come out really nicely. So then for the final one, I'm just going to do this other kind of cheetah print type of design, and I'm going to use Hit the Bottle in Iced Mojito. Again, that's come out really nicely. The image is stunning and it's just come out so perfectly. I can see this plate being very, very popular. So, and then here you have the swatches from the animal print mini plate. So they're all stamped really easily, and I like the variation on this plate as well, and obviously the image size really helps as well. You know, these images cover a full large nail like this, so it would have no problem in covering sort of my thumbnail or any of my other fingernails. And obviously if your client's got quite long nails, some of my clients have, this would easily just cover the full nail, so you wouldn't really have to worry. But obviously with these ones in particular being sort of a full image size, you don't have to worry about shrinking and things like that. I think the majority of the image would get seen on a smaller nail, so I don't think you'd need to worry about that. So thanks to Kate for sending me these plates as always. So I hope that you liked this video, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.